Okay, so now I want to talk about materials and AutoCAD drawing links. So let's go to our 3D view, close our hidden windows, and just kind of push this guy, maybe get him into a view where we can see him a little bit better. Um, so let's go ahead and update the things that we want to be sort of like generic or white first, and then we'll turn off some of these objects so we can just see the building a little bit. So again, I'm going to go to my Manage tab and my Object Styles, and I'll pull this kind of over here. If I go to Imported Objects and I expand the A1 FOBA base, right, then I have access to change all of these materials over here in the material assignment. So a lot of the things like the door frame, maybe the handrail, that's probably a line, the floor outline, that's curtain wall glazing, the masses, the interior walls maybe, and the stairs. So I'm just control clicking those. I want those to just all be white, so I'm going to control click them, and then I'm going to go to the material and left click on the right hand side, and I'll just make this material white since everything's, and rename it. So I'm just going to rename it, and I'll name it F base white. And then I'll go to the Appearance tab, and I'm going to change the color to white. Click OK. And I'll go to the Graphics tab, and I'm going to use Render Appearance, right? And then I'm going to click OK. And I'll click Apply, and you'll see everything that I told to turn white has now turned white. Okay. Let's go ahead and change the road and the topography real quick. So the road, maybe I'll just make it asphalt. So I'll just come up here and type in asphalt. See if we have a pavement light, asphalt pavement light. Let's do that one, right? And I'm just going to use Render Appearance for shading. Click OK and apply, and so you'll see the road come in. And then I will pick for the topography maybe something, we'll just make it maybe sand, right? And I'll use Render Appearance for shading for that. And I'm going to go to the Appearance, and this is the picture it's pasting all over it, but I'm just going to pull that way down so it lightens it up quite a bit. And so the image fade, it combines the image and the color. And I hit Apply, click OK, and hit Apply, and now that looks like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and click OK. So I got some assignments done, but the buildings are a little bit in my way, so I'm going to go to my Visibility Graphics, VV, go to Imported Categories, expand the FOBA base drawing, and I'm just going to get rid of, I'm going to hide by removing the check, the topo, the road, and the masses. Now you can't do that in Rhino. There's no way I know to hide individual layers in Rhino. So now I have this guy, and I can go in and start doing material assignments to this. And so when I get back, I'll start on that.